Zimbabwe's Finance Minister Chombo in serious trouble. Zimbabwean Finance Minister, Ignatius Chombo, who was detained last week during a military coup, had been handed over to police, the lawyer representing him said on Friday. Professor Lovemore Madhuku added that Chombo had also been hospitalized. Madhuku said the minister would appear in court, likely on charges of abuse of office, but that the minister was at Harare's main hospital as he was not well, though he did not specify further. Human Rights Watch, Southern African Director, Dua Malvinga confirmed Chombo's reappearance on Twitter. Soldiers tonight dropped off Chombo at his house after days of military detention. Law and Order police then arrested him and said they are taking him to Rhodesville police station. He tweeted late on Thursday. Chombo was among several Mugabe allies reported by media to have been arrested after the military takeover on November 17 that forced the leader of 37 years resign.